You are watching Daily Ghosh. Pakistani actor Rubina Ashraf is fine and recovering from the coronavirus infection, her daughter said Monday. Ashraf tested positive for COVID-19 last week. Reports of the actor being critically ill and shifted to a hospital emerged after actor Syed Sajid Hassan posted a message on Twitter. Later he informed fans that he had spoken to Ashraf's husband, who confirmed that she was getting better. "I request everyone to please avoid spreading misinformation about my mother," Ashraf's daughter Mina Tariq said on Instagram. "She is fine and recovering." Tariq urged people to pray for her speedy recovery. Mahira Khan, Humayun Saeed, Muhammad Ahmed, Sana Javed, Shagufta Ajaz, Nida Yazir, and Yazir Nawaz along with others took to social media and requested for prayers for the actor.